Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm talking about how to set up a way to access your chat history in Messenger. So if you want to access your chat history in Messenger, the steps are very easy. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your settings. So let's search for settings using the search icon on my phone. Okay. So I'll tap on my settings. On my settings, I'll look for all apps, or if you see app, you can tap on it. So these are my app. I'll search for Messenger. I'm looking for Messenger. Okay, I'll tap on it. So on Messenger, I'll make sure that my notification is being turned, the toggle is being turned on, and all the chat toggle is being turned on. This way that all my chat toggle is being turned on, is going to be easy for me to be able to have access to my chat history in the Messenger. So this way, since it's been turned on, that is all I need to do. The next thing, you have to go and to your storage. When you get there, you can clear your cache and you clear your data. Don't clear your data, just clear only the cache. Leave the data because that is what you're trying to save. So after that, you can now go back and check your chat history. So let me go to my Messenger. You can now go back and check the particular chat history that you wish to check if it is not there again. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.